Board exams are a milestone in every student's journey, but preparing alone can be overwhelming. That's where CFL's NCERT Batch comes in place, a program designed to build confidence and mastery in all key subjects. At CFL, we just don't teach, we make sure that student truly understands. Our expert faculty simplifies complex topics, making physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics easy to grasp. Through interactive sessions, problem-solving techniques, and hands-on learning, we make sure that students don't just memorize, they learn for life. Regular mock tests help the student track progress, boost their confidence, and make sure that they are exam ready. Every student at CFL is given personal attention, ensuring that they reach their highest potential. Your journey to board exam success starts here. Our CFL NCERT batch starts in April 2025. Limited seats only. Join today.